each passing day, more skeletons continue to tumble out of the closet when it comes to the Pune Porsche twin murder case. In a fresh development, the Pune Police's Crime Branch Department has seized a car that is suspected of being involved in the kidnapping of the driver. The police also recorded a new testimony from the driver in which he confirmed the identity of the Mercedes car in which he was abducted. More trouble is also mounting for the Agarwal family as the Pune police have appealed to come forward and file complaints against them. So far, there are a total of 3 complaints that have been registered with the Commissioner's office against this very family, and it's the family of the minor that has been involved in the Porsche cover-up.
This is an aggrieved family and he has lost his young son. You can imagine the situation, and you can understand the influence of Agarwal family now, because of which a young boy had committed suicide and still there was no complaint lodged at any police station. Instead, the complaints were lodged against them. Now, this is a sorry state of affair, but still now they are hopeful for justice. They have submitted a complaint to the Commissioner on the appeal that many more who are aggrieved of Agarwal family should come here and lodge their complaint.
So that was my colleague Abhishek, who had spoken to a family who lost their loved one earlier because of this family. And the case that they are alleging is that of suicide. Investigation will take place and the police has appealed to people in Pune to come up and in fact inform them if they've been victims. Now, a 3-member probe panel has also arrived earlier today at the Sassoon Hospital in Pune to investigate the blood swap. This 3-member panel will investigate the violation of norms. This panel is also set to meet the hospital dean.
The team that was formed to investigate these medical lapses in the Sassoon Hospital, Pallavi Sapli is meeting the dean as of now. The dean is Mr. Dr. Kale, so she is meeting dean right now. And also what we are being told is that MLA Dhangekar is also here, Ravindra Dhangekar is also here. So right now all these 3 people are there in the meeting. But as of now, what Dr. Pallavi Sapli told us that this entire team that has been formed, the 3-member team, they will be entirely probing the matter. They will be following that how these lapses happened, what were the loopholes, and how these blood samples were changed. And apart from these 2 doctors who are arrested, who all were responsible.
Now, 2 doctors and a medical staffer of the Sassoon Hospital have been arrested for alleged manipulation of blood samples and destruction of evidence in connection with the Porsche twin murder case. Now, the medical staff which tampered with the blood sample and threw one of the blood samples in the dustbin so that it could be swapped with that of another person's blood sample is under scrutiny. The Maharashtra government has vowed stringent action in the case as all angles are now being investigated. The government has also formed a special committee for the same that will investigate the cover-up and the irregularities. The arrested doctors, Dr. Ajay Tavre and Dr. Srihari Halnor, have been sent to police custody till the 30th of May.
या ठिकाणी जी काही घटना आहे ती अतिशय गंभीर आहे आणि पोलिसांनी योग्य प्रकारे इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन केल्यामुळेच आणि जे काही सीडीआर वगैरे काढले त्यातनं लक्षात आलं की याच्यामध्ये गडबड आहे आणि म्हणून त्याचे धागेदोरे हे मुळापर्यंत जाऊन काढल्यानंतर लक्षात आलं की हा जो काही मुलगा होता जो आरोपित आहे त्याचे जे रक्ताचे नमुने आहेत ते रिप्लेस करून दुसरे नमुने घेण्यात आले होते, परंतु त्याचे दुसरे नमुने पोलिसांजवळ असल्यामुळे लगेच त्याचा पर्दाफाश करण्यात आला. हे जे काही प्रकरण आहे याच्या पूर्ण मुळाशी आणि तळाशी गेल्याशिवाय पोलीस विभाग थांबणार नाही.
Now, we are getting you exclusive details of how this manipulation took place in order to ensure a cover-up to save the VVIP killer brat. The accused father allegedly called the Sassoon Hospital forensic head Dr. Tavre and exchanged at least 15 to 20 WhatsApp calls in a span of 7 hours. Another person, a mortuary attendant named Ghatkamre, was allegedly roped in. Now, police have recovered 2.5 lakh rupees from Dr. Srihari Halnor and 50,000 rupees from Atul Ghatkamre. According to the Pune police, DNA is what the Sassoon hospital showed as the boy's blood sample, and it did not match with that of his father's DNA. Whereas the DNA in another blood sample taken later from the boy matched, revealing the manipulation of the evidence. Police have slapped Indian Penal Code sections of 201, which is destruction of evidence, 120B, which is criminal conspiracy, 467, which is forgery, 213 and 214 of the IPC, which is obtaining gift for destruction of evidence on the three accused.
पुणे कार एक्सीडेंट मामले में रोज नए खुलासे हो रहे हैं। कभी समझ में आ रहा है कि ब्लड सैंपल को डॉक्टरों ने कूड़ेदान में फेंक दिया था, दूसरे किसी के ब्लड सैंपल को मैच करा दिया और कहा कि ये अल्कोहली नहीं थे। कभी कोई कह रहा है कि पुलिस स्टेशन में आरोपियों को पिज्जा बर्गर दिया गया खाने के लिए। पहले दिन से ही पुलिस की पूरी भूमिका संदिग्ध है। तो ये कौन लोग हैं? पुलिस पर किसका दबाव था? कोई राजनेता इसमें इन्वॉल्व है क्या? कोई बड़ा बिजनेसमैन इसमें इन्वॉल्व है क्या? इसकी पूरी जांच होनी चाहिए, सीबीआई जांच करनी चाहिए। राज्य सरकार पूरी तरह विफल हो चुकी है, गृह मंत्री पूरी तरह फेल हो चुके हैं।
Tejshri joins us as she continues investigating the cover-up angle in the Pune Porsche double murder case. Tejshri, we are getting exclusive leads on this story. The fact that there were cops, and the role of the police becomes suspect. The cops who've been suspended will now be called in for questioning as the focus comes on that pizza burger angle. A revelation made in the Times Now sting, where a cop went on to say that yes, pizza burger was served because at that point of time, will you have dal chawal? Will you have vada pav? So tell us more about where this investigation is now heading.
Well, now investigation is heading with a very fast pace, because you see first after as and when the police is getting the information, the accused involved in this particular case are getting arrested. 2 doctors were arrested. Then what we are being told is that police will also be examining all those employees who work in the blood testing department. So they will also be examined, they will also be questioned, because certainly it is very much sure that not this work of exchanging the blood sample is not only possible with the help of 2 doctors. Certainly there is a bigger team who knew about what was happening when the blood samples were exchanged, number 1. Number 2, if we talk about, police is also probing another angle in this case, that is the call data records, so as to who facilitated the money, because the rupees 3 lakhs were seized by from the residence of one of the doctors. And in fact we were the first to give this information that that is the bribe amount that was given, and certainly it is though a small amount, but what we were being told is that the final talks on the amount are much more greater than this. This was just the initial first installment that was given via the security who stands outside the mortuary. So he is also arrested in this particular case. So and today if we talk about the latest development happening at the hospital, so yes, the special team is here to investigate the entire matter so as to what had happened.
So cover up at every level. Be it the police station, where we heard that there was a politician who went there and the politician admitted it. Then it comes to the hospital where the blood samples were sent. There was a blood swab. There was money that exchanged hands, and this hospital where the testing was supposed to happen became the alleged center of corruption. Now, Tejshri, stay with us, because in a sting operation, our special investigation team has uncovered how the party for that killer brat seemed to have continued even inside police's lockup. Right after the murder of 2 people while he was driving his supercar, it turns out that the juvenile accused was already getting special treatment, being served pizzas and burgers in the lockup. Take a look at Times Now's exclusive sting.
ये इसमें मेरे को समझ में नहीं कि अचानक से वो बर्गर पिज्जा का एंगल कहाँ से आ गया मीडिया में, सोशल मीडिया में,
जैसे आपके भाई बंदे कोई किसी ने क्या चला है। एक्चुअली ना वो जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में ना सेक्शन 11 है, उसको एज अ चाइल्ड ट्रीट करते हैं ना, चाइल्ड विद कॉन्फ्लिक्ट लॉ, उसको खाने पीने का ख्याल रखना वो सेक्शन में दिया हुआ है। बराबर। फिर 5 बजे 6 बजे अगर तुम बोलोगे कि मुझे दाल चावल खाना है, तो मिलेगा नहीं। और जो हमारा गवर्नमेंट का भत्ता खाना होता है, तो वड़ा या पाव होता है, तो गवर्नमेंट का खाना 11 बजे के बाद वो भी मिलेगा नहीं। ऑब्वियसली क्या होता है, हम हमारे काम में बिजी होते हैं, तो तुम आते हो, सर मेरा भाई है, उसको भूख लगी है, उसको कुछ दे दूँ। तो एक्चुअली हम क्या करते हैं, जो भी तुम खाना खाते हो ना, तो वो टेस्ट हम करते हैं पहले। हमको कुछ होता है क्या, बैठ अभी 10 मिनट, हमको कुछ नहीं होता है, तो उसको भी खिला दें, तू खा 10 मिनट बैठ, फिर उसको दे दें। ये सब गड़बड़ में ना, वो ऐसा बोले कि सर मैं खाना दे दूँ, तो ये लोगों ने शायद मुझे कुछ स्टोरी नहीं पता, ये खाली सुनी कहानी है, तो उन्होंने दे दिया। ये टाइम में मिलेगा क्या, तो पिज़्ज़ा मिलेगा, बर्गर मिलेगा, ऑनलाइन वही चालू होता है, मंगा दिया उन्होंने।
And like we've been telling our viewers, Times Now is leading the investigation which is blowing the lid off the cover-up. The cover-up that happened in the initial hours. And there was an attempt to shield the brat from changing his blood samples to, in fact, even giving him special treatment inside the police station. There was every attempt made to ensure that this VVIP brat gets away. But now, because of public outcry and because of Times Now's relentless investigation and questioning, the focus is back on the cover-up angle. Cops have been suspended. Heads are yet to roll. The doctors who have been accused of, in fact, accepting bribe, they are also saying in custody that they will not keep quiet. I want to go across to Techri. Techri, you're at that hospital where the focus currently is. Now, questions are being asked on how did everything happen so easily. Swapping a blood sample cannot be done without orders coming in right from the top. So what were these calls about? And also tell us about what Dr. Tavare said. Yes, go ahead, Techri.
See, as if we talk about Dr. Tavare, then yes, he is under arrest, and in fact what he told to the police is really very much shocking, because he in fact our sources from Pune police has told that during the investigation he has said that अब मैं चुप नहीं बैठूंगा, सब जो इसमें शामिल है उन सब का नाम इस पूरे मामले में बाहर आएगा, is what Dr. Tavare has said. Remember that Tavare is a very influential person as far as Sasun hospital is concerned, and in fact now they are police is also probing the angle that who all were involved, because remember that there were certainly 15 to 20 calls made by Agrawal family to the Dr. Tavare.
Right.
But then apart from that, there is also somebody else who made the calls, who pressurized maybe,
Yes.
or who influenced Dr. Tavare to exchange the
So
blood.
who
and
is that
take
somebody
care-
else? The focus now is on who is that somebody else you're talking about, Techri. There are political parties today who are talking about the political hand in this very case. And
Kane, sir, your dinner.
On a tile? Arey, it's antibacterial.
Easy to clean.
But plates? Kane bhai, it's a tile ad.
IM Plus टेक्नोलॉजी से बने वर्ल्ड क्लास टाइल्स. टाइल हो तो सिंपल हो.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.